Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen today again, and I'm here to do a quick and easy recipe: rice porridge or rice pudding. In Jamaica, we refer to this as rice porridge. But in USA, some other country, they refer to it as rice pudding. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to all my supporter and subscriber, welcome. Let's get started. You're gonna need some water, some boiling water on the fire. I add 4 cups of water, 1 cup of jasmine white rice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, coconut milk. You can use the thin coconut milk, whatever coconut milk, and the coconut milk, it's optional. Cinnamon leaf. Here I have 2 cinnamon leaf. If you're using the cinnamon leaf, you don't have to use the cinnamon powder. If you don't have the cinnamon leaf, you can use the cinnamon powder. Sugar for sweetening, and also sweet milk. So let's rinse our rice. Also rinse your cinnamon leaf. See, the water is boiling, so you're just gonna place the cinnamon leaf in the boiling water with your salt and the rice that you already rinsed. And we're gonna cover this and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes, and I'll be back. We will be mixing the coconut powder. Water, it's gonna pour the water in. 1 cup. And that's cold water. You just mix the coconut powder until everything dissolves out. Beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So this is the coconut milk. You see everything have been dissolved out. The nutmeg, you take it from the shell. You're going to grate. This is enough. See, this about 1/4 teaspoon of the nutmeg. If you use too much, then the porridge will taste biterish. Beautiful people, it's 15 minutes, and you see, look at our rice porridge. So I will be adding the coconut milk, because definitely you want your coconut milk to cook with the rice. So let me pour some more water on it to get a full cup. So this is 2 cups of coconut milk. And I'm gonna place the next cup of water. Now that you put the coconut milk in, you cannot close the pot cover too tight. You have to leave the cover half open, or everything will boil over. You just need the rice to cook and become very, very, very soft. We're gonna give the rice some more time. We're gonna give this 10 more minutes. And you're gonna cover the pot halfway, and you have to pay close attention because you don't want it boil over, and kind of turn the fire down. Let us put the nutmeg in. Then put your nutmeg in. And beautiful people, remember the flour. See, you're just gonna add it in a little water. Probably this is too much. Just a little water. And you're gonna mix the flour out. No lump. So this is all you want to mix the flour in the water. Then I'm gonna add a little more water to this. 10 more minutes, and it's time to remove the cinnamon leaf and the cinnamon stick. You're gonna pour. You're not gonna put all the flour at once. You're just gonna do it gradually because you're looking for that thickness, the consistency that you need it to be having. You don't want it too thick or too thin. So we don't need any more of the flour. I think I can put a little more in it, a little more of that. And now we're gonna add the vanilla. We're good with 1 tablespoon. Look how rich this is looking, guys. OMG. You smell the cinnamon leaf, the nutmeg. Wow. The coconut milk, it's all in the here. So basically, like when after you put the flour in, you just want to give it like 5 minutes. And you can always taste to see if it needs some more salt or whatever. So now this is the sweet milk. You want to come in with the sweet milk. So now I'm pouring the sweet milk in. Look at this, guys. Pour in the milk. So look, guys, the sweetening, the rice pudding, rice porridge. Look at it, guys. So yummy. So you don't need nothing more to add to this. If you want to add sugar, you put whatever sweetener you want to your likeness. You want to put more milk, whatever, please go ahead. So look at this, beautiful people. Our rice porridge is now ready. Our rice pudding. And you know what? In my hand, raisin. You can sprinkle some raisin on top. Hey guys, look at this. Ain't it looking delicious? Beautiful people. I think you should give it a try. So remember, I love you all. Please, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. One love. Peace. Thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Enjoy your rice porridge or your rice pudding. Thank you all.